Hello guys, what's going on? I saw that there is new packs in the store, there is new event. So yeah, I had to buy FIFA points so we can open some. And let's hope we get Messi or Ronaldo. Or at least something valuable. Let's see what the pack will happen. I don't know which ones should I start first. Here, I think here, no, there. And here there is no Messi. Only Ronaldo. I can't remember which ones had Messi in it. Not this one. Maybe this one. No. Let's check out this one. No. Where was Messi? Yeah, these ones. Let's hope the best. At least we can get something good. Okay, let's open the first one. Please give me something good. Oh, it doesn't look any good, but it's okay. We still have so many points to spend. Please something good. Yeah, this one's gonna be good. Oh, not bad. How much is that worth? I don't know. Let's check. 1.5 million. Okay, not bad. Let's go for another one. Please give me Messi. What the fuck, bro? What is this? Please give me Messi. No Messi? No. I hope we get it. Okay, this is gonna be good. It's not even worth that much, I think. Yeah, pointless. It's okay. Let's open more. Please, something good. Center back. Todibo. What's that? We're gonna sell this one. We don't need. We already have a better one. A better center back in our lineup. Oh, we have this goalkeeper. Wow, it's 6 million. This one is very good. Thank you very much. You can sell that, please. Please give me Messi. Please. Please. No, this is not a good one. Bonucci. Okay. Not even. Oh, we got another one. This dude. We have 2 of these now. That's good money. Very nice. Please give me something good. Please. Come on. Spain. Left middle. Perez. How much is it worth? Not much. Okay, please. Give me Messi. What the fuck, bro? Give me Messi. Let's see. I don't know which country is this. Come on. Something with Abdul Hamid. Okay. Okay. Not bad. We're still waiting for the Messi. Please. Spain center back. Real Madrid. Nacho Fernandez. Okay. How much is it worth? Oh, we got the same goalkeeper. Not bad. So far it's That's been pretty good, I think. Okay, this one wasn't any good. Let's see. Portugal, center back. For a second, I thought I had Ronaldo, but there is no Ronaldo in these packs, I think, yeah? No. Yeah. Please, give me something good. Spain, left back. Manchester United. What? I can't even spell. Julian. Okay, we don't need that. Oh, why we keep getting the same goalkeeper? He's rated 81 and the value is so much. That's very good. What was that? Witzel. Okay, let's open the three rest of them at the same time. Please. This one's going to be a Messi. Come on, no. No, bro, no. What is this? I don't like. I don't like this. No Messi. Okay, time to open another ones. Which ones should I open? I don't know. Let's search. Oh, Messi is also in here. Maybe we can get these ones. Let's check out all of them. Yeah, there's also Messi in here. Is Messi in all of these? Yeah. But I don't know which one. Which ones should I choose? Let's go for these ones. Please give me something good. Please give me Messi. No, what the pack, man? What the pack is that? These are the worse than the other ones. The other ones cost 200 points, and these cost like 1,000. What's that? This is scam. Such a scam. Let's check the other ones which had Ronaldo in it. Yeah, here maybe we can get Ronaldo. Open 10. Please give me Ronaldo. Pack you, man. Pack this shit, bro. What is this? Nothing good. Worthless. Whatever. Maybe open this. These ones are pretty cheap. Let's open this and see what we get. Okay, something good is coming. Center back. No, this is not good. No. Shit. Where should we spend the rest of our points? Let's open 10 of these. See what we can get. What's the best that we can get? No Messi here. But we can get the 95 CDM rated. Or Ronaldo, maybe the Brazilian Ronaldo. Or Zidane. I would like Zidane too. Please give me. Give me Zidane, Pele, Ronaldo. Any I would take. Okay, let's see what we got. Spain, right back. I feel it's not gonna be good. Yeah, Jesus Navas. No way, bro. We keep getting the goalkeepers. The dude. What is the name? I can't spell. We take this. This is good one. This was good, better than the others. What else can we open? Maybe let's open some of these. Is there Messi in it? No. No Messi in here. Let's find the Messi packs. Oh, here we can get Ronaldo. Should we try? Should we try one? Yeah, come on. Please give me Ronaldo. England, striker, Newcastle. Oh, I think this is good. 90 rated. Let's see how much it's worth. Please. Something good. Yeah, 11 million. Not bad. I take this. Thank you. Should we open more of these or maybe? Maybe. I don't know which ones should we open. Have no idea which ones are the best. Let's open one of these maybe. But there is no Messi. Maybe we can get Ronaldo. Please give the Brazilian Ronaldo. Please. Okay. What's gonna be? Right back. Why I'm keep getting defenders? What the fuck, man? You keep giving me defenders. We got Mascherano. Okay, that's not bad. We can sell that because we already have one Mascherano in our lineup. We can sell that and it goes for 21 million. Okay, thank you. Not bad. We satisfied with this, but no Messi. Where is Messi? Please give me Messi. Not in here. Where was Messi? Let's check the others. Please, I want one Messi. Nothing else. Give me a Messi. Yeah, here. Maybe we can get. Please give me Messi. No, packing way. We didn't get any card. Why? Open more. What? What? These are not even good. Let's open more. Again, the same goalkeeper. Oh, two of them. Okay. At least we can sell these for 6 million each. That's good. Please give me Messi. Okay. Oh, not Messi. I don't like it. Whatever. What is this? Bro. Please. Please. What the fuck, man? Please. Come on. This is Ukraine. Ukraine striker. Something good? No. How much is this worth? 1 million? Okay. And the last, oh, let's open the last one also. Please give me Messi. Please. Argentina? The striker? Not gonna be Messi. Martinez. Okay, not bad. 92 rated. Thank you. That was our last points also. Thank you very much. 18 million. Okay, that's good. We can use this. We don't have so many good strikers in our team. Let's go and check our lineup. Maybe we'll replace with Puskas. Yeah, let's replace. I don't know which one is better. Yeah, I think this is definitely better. Let's replace this. Okay, we are good to go. We didn't get Messi or Ronaldo. Unlucky, maybe next time. Thank you all for watching.